Well, here it is, May 11th, and gonna give the Cub Cadet a tune-up. Oil change, air filter, oil filter, fuel filter. Meant to get spark plugs, but I guess we forgot them. Well, we changed the oil filter, put a longer one on, and fuel filter. And last we're doing is the air cleaner.
It's not the last we're doing. We got the
There, the lid's installed. Ha ha ha. I don't know. That's about it for a now. Well, it's still telling me I have to clean my air filter. I don't know how to take that off. Well, we got the new blades installed. New mulching blades. And the other ones really weren't that bad, but yeah, the other ones really weren't that bad as I thought they would be, but they are pretty dull. And while I was down messing around, I took the chute contraption off, since these are mulchers. This way when I ordered it or had it delivered or whatever, when I bought it, they put the mulching blades on in the kit here, so I don't need the yeah, we took that off, but then that left the 3 openings. So I made up a piece of metal 4 inches by 1 inch and drilled a hole and put a bolt. So that's all done now. And special thanks to my neighbor Cliff across the road for letting me borrow the oil filter wrench. I didn't have one that goes small enough. That filter was 3 inches and I have car ones. So smallest it was going to go was 3.5. Yeah, that's what the old air filter on the outside looked like. That's all you do is clean this, wash it, put some oil on it. So we got an extra one. The filter really wasn't that bad, but this comes with the filter. I don't know if you can buy it separate. We only got the last filter, so it's a damn good thing we got it. So anyway, but that filter's, yeah, pretty messy. Well, just got her all finished, put back together, started up, blades work great. So that's a good job for the day. Oil filter, fuel filter, air filter, new blades. We forgot spark plug at the store. Alright, so once again, this here's the old spark plug. And these are the ones we're putting in. Champion RC12YC. Pretty doggone dirty. About a month away from, well, 2 months away from being 2 years old. Only like, what, 25 hours on them. Well, I said, hey, while we're down here screwing around with spark plugs, let's just do a compression check, you know? So that was after rolling it over 4 times. Yeah, Isaac, I might just do a leak down test. And that's about the same we get on the other cylinder, or on the passenger side, if you want to call it that. So, about the same. Well, it's Sunday, May 12th. Happy Mother's Day. We finally got the spark plugs in today. We even did a compression check. So we got the oil change, oil filter, air filter,
filter, and new blades. All done this weekend. And of course, I feel it starting to sprinkle, so we won't get any grass cut. Yeah, you can just see it on the window a little bit. I feel it. I got that bald spot in the back of my head. That's an indicator for these kind of things. These are some flowers. Can't leave them out yet because it gets cold at night. So hey, anyway, at the end here, that is not oil on the ground. That is nothing from the engine. That was me spraying some stuff on that gear for the steering. Just want to say, hey, thanks to the wife, because she helped out quite a bit on this project this weekend, and you know, without her, it's nice always having your wife by the side. You know what I'm saying? Hand you a tool, cool things like that. Spend time together, even if it's just doing lawnmower maintenance. All right, everybody. Thanks again for the subscribers, and we will talk to y'all later. And after that hard work for the weekend, it's time to sit down, relax, and have a cold PBR. For all the work you do, this beer's for you.